This is the M1 Garand, the rifle General Patton called the greatest battle implement ever devised. It fired 8 rounds of 36, faster than any bolt-action rifle of the era. American soldiers could deliver twice the firepower of their enemies. Its semi-auto action made it deadly in close combat and accurate enough for long-range engagements. Every clip ended with the iconic sound, the famous Garand ping, a sound that echoed across every battlefield. The M1 Garand didn't just arm an army, and it changed modern warfare.